my god, it's hot. It's hot as hell today. I'm literally like dying. That's why you hear the AC in the background. But anyways, I just like cleaned my whole room basically. And now we're gonna make it a mess again because my little sister's having a birthday party in like 2 weeks, and it's gonna be Encanto theme. And my mom was trying to get a character to come like for my little sister's birthday. She was trying to get Isabella to come, but they're all booked for the month of April. So my mom doesn't have a character for my little sister's birthday. So I'm going to make the Isabella dress, and I'm going to be Isabella for her birthday party. I don't know how this is gonna work. I got like the fabric and stuff in Santee Alley yesterday. Honestly, pretty sure they ripped me off. He was trying to charge me more, but I was like, nah, like put it lower. People on Etsy are selling these dresses for like $100–200. So if I could pull this off and make it look good, then I feel like, you know, I'm kind of cool. I haven't done a DIY video in a long time. Like, that's kind of what my channel used to be. Like, I would do a lot of DIY stuff. So today we're gonna get back into it, and hopefully I don't f it up. And I only got 4 yards of this fabric. I am going to use these 2 dresses as like my pattern. I got all these flowers from Dollar Tree that I'm gonna glue onto the dress when I'm done with it. Got like a mesh. I couldn't find like a polka dot mesh for like the sleeves and the ruffles and stuff. And then I got this like lilac, like solid, kind of stretchy. It's kind of like spandex. Yeah, I don't know, I don't really like using like the fabrics that don't stretch, just because I feel like it makes it harder because you have to like do it perfect. And with the ones that stretch, I feel like you could kind of mess up and it'll still look good. The only thing I don't like though about the stretchy fabrics is hemming them, because they always come out up. So hopefully it doesn't come out up. Oh my god, whenever I try to sew, my cats always do this and it's so annoying. Okay, I cut it out. She looks like a BBL baddie right now. Don't worry about it. Like, we're probably not gonna need these huge hips. Like, it's probably gonna be able to go like straight down, but I wanted enough like at the bottom so it would still be like kind of loose. I wasn't lying when I said it was hot. My poor baby is burning. I got this little cooling pad. It's for like cats and stuff, so they could lay on it when it's hot. Okay, I pinned the sides together. I put on Encanto, but I really just want to watch the movie. It's distracting me. But I'm gonna sew this right now, so. And then I'm gonna try it on. I'll show y'all. I love this song. I love Luisa, bro.
The song makes me sad. When I first saw it, it made me cry. I was like, oh, Luisa.
Sister stronger. Like me being an older sister to 3 siblings. I tried on the dress and I do need to fix some stuff. It's kind of tight on me. I should have gave it more seam allowance. Like, it was kind of hard to put on like right here, but I think we'll be fine. I don't know, if not, then I'm gonna add a zipper in the back. I do need to take off like right here, like the hip area. It's too low. Like, if I pull it up, it's still like too big anyways, so I'm gonna have to like slim that down right there. But I think the rest is like, I think the rest is okay. It's not too bad, like for the first draft. Update, it is, I think it's like 8 or 9. Oh shit, it's 10:30. It's almost 11. I'm still working on the dress. Yeah, I added a zipper to the back because it was kind of hard to like take on. I added a zipper on the back because it was kind of hard to like put on and take off, but I kind of it up because it like stretched it or whatever. Now it has these little bumps. Yeah, I'm trying to do like kind of like a ruffle effect. I learned it from this YouTuber Makara Tours, but my string ripped and yeah, I'm annoyed. So honestly, I really don't want to like sew it on because I know it's probably not gonna go on right. So I'm just gonna put the dress on and like hot glue it on while it's on my body, so hopefully it doesn't burn. I put on like a waist trainer or whatever, just like I put on like a faja, so like if the glue goes through the dress, like it won't burn me. I was trying to sing the song from Encanto, but I'm like losing my voice and it sounded real bad. But anyways, yeah, this really burned. I shouldn't even be awake right now. What time is it? Oh, it's about to be midnight. Tell me why this is taking so long. I need to make this shorter. I made it too long. And then we need to add the other layer to like hide this. But yeah, it's looking real cute. Hey, it's like, how many days later? I don't know, like 3 days later or something. No progress on the dress yet. I'm working on it right now. I'm gonna gather it and like glue it. And then how I want it to look on here, I don't want it to look like this. Like I want it to look like a hem, like a clean hem. So I think like the parts that I gathered, I'm going to like fold it down and then I'm gonna hot glue it on like that. So it looks like a seam. Oh my god, I have my fabric here and my cat just got out of the litter box and she literally was going to drag her ass across my fabric. I literally had to snatch her ass so fast. I was like, no! All that she left was some little litter remnants on it, but I just wiped it away. But what the fuck? I almost rubbed her ass on here. I was too lazy to like sew it and like ruche it or whatever, so I just ended up hot gluing it to get like the same effect. It was faster. Literally just keep doing this until you have enough to go around your waist, like go around your dress, you know? Just keep doing it. Ouch. I just attached the sleeve, but honestly I haven't cut it or anything. I've made some markings of like how short I want it. But I think I am going to have to make like the arms skinnier because it's like very loose right here. Yeah, I hot glued this on here, but it like popped off. It popped off because my ass is so juicy and voluptuous and fat that like it made it pop off. But it's okay, we're gonna glue it back on. He told me that my powers would grow like the grapes. I forgot the words, but progress on the dress is looking hella cute. I can't believe this is like less than 2 days of work. And it looks so good already. Oh shit, I just noticed I didn't even trim the backside yet. Oops, I'm already doing the sleeves and I didn't even finish this top layer. Y'all probably seen it in the back and you're like, what the fuck is that? No, I'm gonna fix that. I forgot about it. Okay, back to the dress. It is Sunday. Didn't even know it was Easter. Oops. Working on the dress. I am sewing on the second sleeve. There was something else I needed to do, but I can't remember. I think it was cut the skirt or something. Can't remember. I'll figure it out. Okay, it's Friday and the party is tomorrow at 1. So I should have the dress ready by the morning tomorrow. Going to a party tonight and another party tomorrow. Oh my god, okay, I have so much to do. I'll try to do it real quick. Like, I cleaned my room because I was making a rug for Daisy and it was a mess. So I cleaned it so I won't go crazy and so my dress won't be covered in yarn. Woke up at 7 in the morning. Well, it's 8 now. I'm gonna finish this dress for this party today. Show y'all. Y'all are gonna see it and be like, oh my god, what is that? But I'm still gonna trim the tulle on the arms. And yeah, and I still gotta make the collar and then we're gonna add the flowers and that's it. Like, I accidentally cut this sleeve too short, so it like looks weird compared to the other sleeve. It looks crazy right now, but I think it'll look better once I have it on. And then I am going to trim this still because it's really long. And I'm pinning it to the collar like this, like upside down. Can you see? Like upside down. And then I'm gonna sew like along here, maybe. Yeah, like the edge. And then we could just like fold it up like that. I'm just gonna pin it all around the collar, and then we're gonna do a straight stitch, and hopefully it looks good because this is the collar and it's right next to your face. Wow, sorry, my cat's taking a he's mad right now because he wants to go outside and he keeps meowing at me and I'm ignoring him, so he's gonna take a so I could pay attention. But this came out so good. Actually, I thought it was gonna be bad. Like, I thought it was gonna come out like all wrinkled, but it's actually like smooth. Like, that looks so good. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. I was all proud of my collar, and then I forgot that it has a frill on it, so we're probably not even gonna see it. Okay, you will, but like, hopefully this doesn't look ugly. But I'm going to add the frill right here, like right under the collar, like that. I don't know. This frill is like so transparent though. I should have got like a more opaque one, but I mean, whatever. It still works. Lots of tulle. Ah! She keeps trying to like, she just wants to be on top of me. But I can't work in these conditions. Like, yeah, any other day I will cuddle you, but not while I'm trying to work on this dress. Look at it, she don't care. She's like, I'm going loaf mode. I don't give a f about your dress. Girl, I need this to be done already. It's gonna be 10 o'clock. 10. And I still have to do my makeup and my hair. Oh my god. We're gonna figure it out. Okay. So, oh. Sorry, I just hit y'all on the stripper pole. I went to Dollar Tree to get more flowers. Cause like, yeah. I got a lot. Yeah, I got
Girl,
what?
You remember that girl?
Wait. Hold on. I'm doing a video real quick. Hold on. I got my worker here, my assistant, gluing the flowers onto me, low-key torturing me because the hot glue is going through, touching my skin, but oh well, we're really late to the party. But yeah, almost done. I'll show y'all like the full thing once we get outside. I was waiting for the restroom because I needed to pee. And we're at this park full of kids. And then all these kids start singing the song from Encanto, but we don't talk about Bruno. And then they're like all yelling in unison. They're all yelling in unison. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're coming. They're literally gonna get attacked by dogs. And then they're like, Isabella, your boyfriend's here. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this Isabella dress, but it came out cute. Oh my god, it was so awkward though when I came out because like they thought like the people, like my sister's little school friends, parents, and the little kids thought that I was like an actual character that my mom hired, but no, it was just me. My mom was like, oh no, it's just my daughter. That was embarrassing. And then I kept getting attacked by little kids at the park. Well, not attacked, but like a big group of children would come and like all talk to me, and they were asking for candy. I was like, bro, I don't got candy. I did have some in my purse though, so I gave away all the candy that I had from the party that I wanted to eat. And I was like, so I got no candy because I gave it to all these little kids because they wanted candy from me. We don't talk about Bruno, no. We don't talk about Bruno.